Welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. The bias, as I have written here, is bullish. Why do I say it is bullish? It is because it has made a higher low. So the low made in August is higher than the low made in April. Just implies buyers are buying at higher levels with confidence. So when Nifty decided to fall, the sellers decided to sell, there were like stronger buyers giving it higher momentum on the upside. So Nifty is bullish on a monthly time frame. Let's just mark the important levels. Previous ATH is the most important level. I'll mark it in red. Support, a buyer zone, is the previous swing high. I'll mark it in green. And the next bigger support is the previous swing low. That's 24,337. And in case of any black swan event, something that the market has not seen before, then this is the next target for Nifty, 21,743. Now moving over to the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, previously I did not have a bias, so let's see if I have a bias now. Well, this weekly, everything depends on the close of this weekly candle. Let me just zoom it out. Now let's look at scenarios. If this weekly candle closes right here, then this becomes a swing high. So this high should not be tested even by a wick. So let me just mark it out. This level, mark it by a thinner line, just so that in live market I understand it's not a monthly level, it's something on a lower time frame. Yeah, so this swing high needs to be protected tomorrow. Then this weekly bias becomes bearish because this is a swing high and this becomes a lower swing high. Sellers are selling at lower levels. An important level to look out for is this level. So once this is taken, then here is where the big sellers are. It's a flat top candle. Until then, I do not have a bias. So tomorrow is a crucial day for a weekly bias to form. Now on a daily time frame, it was bullish. It still is bullish here because this low is higher than this low. Now, so what needs to be protected is this low. I'm just marking it in green. So now we sort of have a range for Nifty. The higher range is 26,236 and the lower range is 25,878. It's in two different time frames, but it's a good range. And also Nifty has created a fair value gap in here. So ideally, fair value gaps are retracement areas you need to look for to enter trades. The top of this or the bottom of this. On a 4-hour time frame, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. As you can see on the fair value gap I drew on the daily time frame works well here also. Now, is there a bias that we can come out with here? Yes, there is a bias. This is a swing low and this is another swing low. It's a higher low is created on a 4-hour time frame, and so it is bullish. Let's move. Is there a level I need to mark out here? No, there's nothing. Moving on to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, this is a swing low. That swing low was taken here. There's no other swing low. This is a swing high and this is another swing high. So yes, a lower high has been created and it is bearish. So I have marked bearish here. So that is it right now. There's nothing more I can think of on this chart. So anyway, all these I believe are still movements of the market in holiday season. I'm implying the holidays of FPIs and FIIs. So there's something called the Santa Claus rally. So this could be a if this is a Santa Claus rally, once the big guys come back from vacation, they press the sell button because it is at a higher price than where they left it. They're getting a better deal here. So let's see if something like that will play out. Anyway, I'm not a certified analyst. All this is just for educational purpose. So thank you.